Okay, all you budding author poets out there, I live near Hillier Nurseries in a place called Romsey, Southampton, England. I'm going to flip the camera around and show you where I go for my coronavirus walk and see if this gives you inspiration to write a nice poem or anything about the countryside. So I'm going to flip the camera now and do a little 360-degree turnaround and see if you can write something about it. I will go back home and surely enough I will write something. See what you can come up with. I hope that wasn't too shaky. It's beautiful. It's a lovely summer's day, beautiful scenery, no one about, just me. Now I'm going to walk down to my favourite tree just to show you what I like, and a little verse that came to mind as I was walking along the path on such a glorious day. So I'm going to walk down now to the tree that I like, the one that I like the best. It's called a crimson century, and it really stands out. It stands out purely because of the colour of it. You'll see in a minute, we're nearly there now. It's a glorious, glorious day. Another tree that I like is called a memingerie. Very hard to say, but it's a lovely tree, and there's one down here that to me is just amazing. It just proves how amazing nature is. But first, crimson century. So I'm just going to flip the camera again and show you why I like this tree so much.